How to lock someone out of your TikTok. To get started, first of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to this page where you can view all the contents that are shared on TikTok. From here, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Then tap on Menu at the top right corner. After that, select the option Settings and Privacy from the bottom. Once you're in this page, tap on the option Security and Permissions. Now select the option Your Devices. You can see that you've logged in with different devices. Tap on the delete icon beside the device that you want to log out from. Now tap on the option Remove from the pop-up. Now repeat the same process. Tap on the trash icon beside the device name. Then, tap on the option Remove from the pop-up again. As you can see, you have successfully logged out of other devices that you might have logged in earlier, or someone else has been using your account from other devices. So, by following these steps, you can easily lock someone out of your TikTok.